friends! Today we're going to draw Rubble from Paw Patrol and learn 10 fun facts about him. Grab your pencils and let's draw and learn together. Construction Pup. Rubble is the team's construction expert, always ready with his yellow bulldozer and tools. English Bulldog. He's a tough but lovable English Bulldog with a big heart and lots of energy. Loves skateboarding. Before joining the Paw Patrol, Rubble loved skateboarding, and he's still really good at it. Youngest Pup. Rubble is actually one of the youngest pups on the team, which makes him extra relatable for kids. Big appetite. He loves food, especially anything with honey, ice cream, and snacks. Afraid of spiders. Even though he's strong and brave on the job, Rubble is scared of spiders. Catchphrase. Rubble on the double is his famous catchphrase before heading out on a mission. Kind and caring. He has a soft spot for animals. He once rescued a baby kitten and it melted his heart. Rubble and Crew. He got his very own spin-off show, Rubble and Crew, where he and his family take on construction adventures. Favorite color? Yellow. Just like his gear, his bulldozer, and his hat, yellow is his signature color and suits his sunny personality. Great job, everyone! Which fun fact about Rubble was your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time. Bye-bye!